Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix file explorer is opening too slow in Windows 11 or a 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all in the start menu, right click, go to your task manager. After doing this step, scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Here is a Windows Explorer. Select it and click on Restart. After completing that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your right click on a start menu, click on Run. After doing this step, type a percentage app data percentage / Microsoft / Windows / recent / automatic destination. So after that, type it, click OK to continue. Go to your these three dots, go to your options, click on views and make sure that select the show hidden file and folders. Select show hidden file and folders, click on apply and OK button and select all these items. Right click on delete it. After that, close it, restart your PC, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type indexing options. Open indexing options. After doing this step, go to your advanced, click on rebuild, click OK. After I close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your file explorer. After doing this step, go to your C drive, go to your three dots, click on options, click on view and click on show hidden file and folders. After doing this, select a folder, right click, go to your show more options, go to your properties. After doing this step, go to your advanced and uncheck the allow file in this folder to have contain indexes in addition to file of properties. Click OK and click OK. After that, go to your customize and make sure your that is selected as general items. Click on apply and OK button and close it and restart your PC. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.